Hi there, I'm Carolyn, Trichologist at Absolute. We're sharing some more results with you today. This particular one is female hair loss, and we're really talking about our treatment check-ins and how important they are to keep you on track. So when I first met this client, her concerns were both hair loss and hair thinning. She also had some scalp concerns with dry scalp, hair breakage, and the hair just simply wasn't growing past her shoulder length. She was in a very stressful fly-in, fly-out job, and it was also shift work. She had very disturbed sleep, but then the hair loss and the hair concerns when she could sleep was also disturbing the sleep and causing all sorts of other stress and anxiety. She was eating really well and her exercise were really good, but she said to me that she's very much an overthinker. We checked in on blood tests. We found that there were reasonable nutritional levels, but there were some lows. Now I find this a lot of time that everyone's saying everything's fine in your bloods, but the lows on top of all this stress, broken sleep, shift work, it really is not creating the right environment for either sleep or for hair growth, but also managing the stress. So what we also found is the thyroid was moving around. Now the thyroid moving around will always disturb the hair cycle as well. So you think everything's okay, but we've still got shifts going on. So we introduced to help a topical routine, which is just basically changing the way you wash your hair to get some stability, and we did a bit of nutritional support because with the job there was no choice about food, so we used some supplemental green drinks and some target nutrition. So we try and be very individual to the circumstance, because this one here, money wasn't an issue, but it was very time poor as to when we could fit any type of treatment in. So we didn't sort of see this client for quite a while because of the job, so we were trying to check in by email and phone, but when we eventually did see her, she had managed to make some dramatic changes, and we could really see an improvement in the quality, texture and growth of hair, but we found that there was still some little blood sugar markers and different things going on, plus the thyroid. So it's really important that we help you to get back on track, but we need to keep treatment very individual to your circumstances, and your circumstances can change. So for hair to grow, it takes 4 months, but even beyond that, at 8 months and 12 months, sometimes it's worthwhile to check in so we can track to see how you're going yourself. You don't want to regrow the hair and then to lose it or to have it thin again. And particularly when we're dealing with low vitamin D and thyroid, that will continue to move around. So we do help people all over the world. If you have some concerns or you see these photos and you relate to them, we do ask you to just email, tell us your story. We can help you. So it's info@absolute.com.au.